Alright, we got 25 minutes. Think they can do it in 25 minutes?
How much time we have left?
Yeah.
So, park the time?
What are you guys about to see?
5 hours. Oh, that's not bad.
What are you guys about to see?
Pigs eat a gingerbread house?
It's like a documentary. How do you feel about pigs eating a gingerbread house?
Well, you know, gingerbread houses aren't found in pigs' natural habitat, but today we're going to see it happen.
What do you think, Mr. Rabbit?
Exactly.
I'm excited. I'm nervous.
So, Ms. Jacome, how do you feel?
I don't even know. How do you
Mr.
feel, Heather McKay?
Describe your feelings.
How do I feel?
Yes. Are you excited?
I think it's going to be less eventful than imagined. I hope it's cooler than... No, they're just going to eat it.
How many Christmases have you seen two pigs eat a gingerbread house? This will be a new experience. Papa?
Look at him. He's so precious.
A little more?
Hey, Lily. Who's got a stick?
Oh, watch out!
Preemptive.
Okay, 1 second. Wait till Mommy gets here.
Oh, here.
Rob. Yeah, wait till Mommy comes to watch.
Just drop the
Come and
wheel
watch.
down there.
Okay, let's bring it in. Okay.
Should I get in here? Should I get close?
Yeah. Right there is good. Let's go and find it. Shit.
House fell apart.
Oh, did you take the battery out?
Yeah, we took everything out.
We got all it.
Okay, but I gave him some grain.
Do you want to just put it closer to them?
No, I gave him some grain, so let them come and discover it. Oh, wait, you want to be part of the feature film?
No. I just want to get it closer to them because I'm afraid they won't.
Well, I just gave him a little bit of grain. They'll be finished
But
that
it
in a
takes them
second.
forever to eat their grain, so.
I just gave him a little bit.
Okay.
How much did you give him, Rob?
Which one's which, Ellen?
Yeah, give us a little tutorial.
This is Veronica, and I can tell because her hair is not as luxurious as Betty. Hey, girl.
Her tail.
It's a little bit bigger, I think.
Oh, yeah. Betty's a more delicate flower.
Right.
Yes, than Veronica.
Wait, is the base food too?
No.
The base? Yeah, it's all sugar.
No. It's on a board, Rob.
Oh, yeah, so it's underneath the sugar.
They'll probably know not to eat that.
Yeah.
So how many pigs did each of them have?
Betty had 8 and sat on 3.
Nice.
And Veronica had 3.
They killed 2.
And kill 2.
How?
No, one killed
One.
herself.
Yeah.
Oh, here we go.
What's this?
Veronica.
That didn't take long. $200, I thought it was 100.
Beyond repair. Wait a minute.
Well, it was all burnt up there.
Is it insurance?
Yeah.
Try explaining that one to your insurance agent.
I don't know if farmers usual. He's so excited about that guy. Oh, gosh, there goes Lola.
You bring St. Winston's, you bring that's like a pig meal.
What'd you get, Lola?
touchy
take them all.
How did Frank get outside?
You're not allowed outside?
Oh, God. It's been a long time. Lots of birds.
I never thought I'd see pig farming like this. Ever.
Keep them nerve-gate, yes?
No?
It's called sustainable farming. Nothing gets wasted.
That's right.
They'll eat you out of house and home, them
I
pigs.
also on the theory that a happy pig makes good meat, so I think they're having a happy moment right now.
And you know what? The abattoir won't take them because they're not heavy enough.
No, it's
these
the other
guys
one.
are too heavy. Actually, these guys are past the point now. I'm going to have to beg someone to take them. Because it's actually way more time consuming than these guys.
What's like the
25.
okay, how big are they?
These guys are about 450.
Wow.
500 pounds right now.
I'm too big for that.
Yours big, no?
We're working on gingerbread.
Yeah, I think put them on the GG and hope it's
That didn't take long.
Yeah.
David, see if you can pull the board out because they probably shouldn't have that.
Standing on it.
Yeah, try and see if you can move them out of the way.
There's only about 250 pounds holding it down.
Yeah, about 450 pounds.
Just the front part.
Oh, just the front part.
Francis. Francis.
So I'm not answering your question.
There you go. Now's your chance, David. Now's your chance.
Get it.
Nope.
No, she's still standing on it.
She'll move.
Just pull it.
It's not a leg. It's not a load-bearing leg.
Not up to code anymore.
Wait, is it not, like, strong at all?
You have a huge piece of gingerbread. Oh, yeah.
I think they're going to be full.
Yeah.
Julia Gully, actually. Oh, Francis Bean.
What's she doing?
She's got a huge piece of
Mom, you can sit on them.
Go right ahead. Jeremy, get the camera.
No, I've done it
ready.
before. If they're eating, they just stand there.
Lily, come on.
Mom, all
Hey,
they
do
do
it.
is continue eating.
Do it.
Okay, let's Julia.
Do
Yeah,
it.
you can do it. It'll be easier for you.
It'll be your thing.
I've done it.
Then get on.
Come on, David.
Get on, you limb.
Honey, you're your mother's daughter. Cinderella cried. Yep. Cinderella. Cinderella.
Don't they all just leave now?
Merry Christmas, Buddy and Veronica. Now, did everybody see the new barbecue? Oh, they're still cute. Alex, you should go down to the new barbecue.
I hope those horse farm. Oh yeah, you got to see the new barn.
All right. Let's see the foundation. That's all that's left.
Oh yeah, this is all that's left.
That was the floor plan of the gingerbread.
Okay, Mom.
Just rubble now.
Shut the gate, like, properly.
Enjoy. You guys are funny.
I think they enjoyed that.
They did.